to see activity history on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find the first open VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner and then click these 3 points and then click edit profile and once you're here scroll down until you find security, then scroll down again and here you will find show activity history. Now just click on it and here you will find your activity history and you can end all sessions. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.